Hello everyone, my name is Arika, and I'm going to make a video today. The video is a challenge video from Google and Udacity. The challenge is like uh, what I am most proud of from the past 3 months in the challenge course. So I was part of a Grow with Google Challenge scholarship for the past 3 months. And on this past 3 months, I learned basic core Android functionality. So uh, it was really an awesome opportunity for me to get this skill. I learned a lot of things, like a lot of amazing things, starting from setting up the development environment till developing a very awesome sunshine weather app. So that's like a very great opportunity. Uh, First, let me tell you how I could get this opportunity. So I was looking on Udacity, and they have like a very good very good applications and very good resources that teach from basic programming until very high skill you know courses like artificial intelligence and flying car AI. So that was really they have like a very good courses. So I was looking that, but at the same time, when I was looking my Facebook, I see an advertisement, which is a very good, important, like a very good advertisement that I ever seen. That was the Grow with Google Challenge Scholarship. Uh, so I subscribe for that, and after a couple of weeks, I get a message that says, you are part of the Google uh, Challenge Scholarship. So in the past 3 months, uh, it was like an awesome opportunity for me to get that scholarship. I learned the core functionalities of Android development. I have been learning about activities, different layouts, working with API from cloud, recycle reviews. That means like displaying large lists of data efficiently into you know the phone screen. I have also learned about intents. These are like displaying multiple screens and multiple screen apps into uh, user from your phone. So calling different activities from the intents. Um, we also have been learning on implement implicit intent and explicit intents, which is very good skills. Not only that, but we have also learned it on the Android application life cycles, like what will happen if your you know phone is being turned off while you are using the app. What will happen if it's being if your phone is being switched from one app to the other app? So what will you do? So we have been learning those basic and core important skills, like application, the app life cycle of the Android device, like when it's being resuming, when it's stopping, when it's being created, and when it's being destroyed. So those were like very good skill sets that I learned from my past 3 months. Another important thing that uh, I learned is like the uh, preferences. I also learned storing data in SQLite, which is an important role. Uh, so, like working with data, like working with basic crude application, creating, updating, deleting, uh, uh, different kinds of bulk insert, it's bulk insert, and other important concepts on storing SQLites, on storing data on SQLites from the Android app. Uh, we also learn about content providers, background tasks, like async tasks, background tasks. For example, how we can be able to develop a background task that can be able to download data or upload data from the internet while the user has been using the app, and without like interrupting the user. So we can be able to develop a background task that can be able to transfer data from one location to the other, or from one database to our app without the user noticing that you are doing the background task. So that was like a very uh, mm, core skill that I learned from the in the past 3 months. Another thing is like how we can be able to develop a very good user interface uh, from the Android app. So we have been using, we have been learning on different writing, like different styles, how we can be able to use different images and background tasks, how we can be able to choose colors, um, uh, and like how we can be able to use different colors for our app. So that was also very good, skills. The look and feel of the app is much more important part of the application, and we also learn polishing the UI and making a better UI for the Android app. So that was really a very good skill set. Another skill set is like uh, developing tests. We have been like developing test apps for like a testing app for our applications. That is also another important task in application development. Be able to develop, a test for the project, so that when there is some kind of issues, we can be able to run that test and be able to, debug issues based on those test results. That was really a very good, uh, important task. We also learned how we can be able to set up, mock-up data for the test, how we can be able to debug tests, run tests, and implement into our applications. Another thing that I would like to mention is like, the teamwork. There was like a very good teamwork on the uh, throughout this 3 months, there was like a very good teamwork. There was like a follow up. The teams that they put together this course was make like a follow up. They send us messages, and they set up different kinds of you know uh, events. That is also one important part that helps me to get those core functionalities and pushes me forward when I get uh, a little bit behind. So that was really very good. Another thing is like students. They were like jumping to help each other, and that was also a very good task, and that was like initiates me to use my skills as well, like my full potentials, uh, you know to complete the project. Uh, so I would like to thank you for Google and thank you for Udacity for giving me this opportunity, this amazing opportunity, uh, and for other peoples. If you get this amazing scholarship, please use your full potential and full time to change your life and to make better up for your company or for your project. And it's a very good opportunity. And thanks again, Google and Udacity. Thank you.